Stop by and take a look at the 2017 GS. Looking to create the ultimate sports sedan in both price and performance? Lexus came up with a truly exceptional car. This is one model that can hang with the best Europe has to offer and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.